Hello. Hi. Easy. Hi. Are you throwing all your bananas on the floor?
It was.
Yeah. Are you squishing them and throwing them on the floor? Don't put them in your hair. No. No. Oh. Your hair's got banana hair. Yeah. It's got banana hair. Ah? Banana hair. My baby got banana hair. Where's those bananas going? Are they going on the floor? I love you. Your hair. You gotta take a bath now. Gabriel.